We're told that figure 1 shows the sector A or B of a circle with centre O and a radius r. The angle A or B is theta radians, and the area of the sector is 11 centimeters squared. Given that the perimeter of the sector is 4 times the length of the arc AB, find the exact value of r. So we know that the area of a sector is 1/2 of theta r squared, and we've been given that the area is 11. We also know, because we're dealing with radians, this arc length will be theta r. So we'll say L equals theta r. L is the arc length. So the perimeter will be the 2 radii plus theta r. So 2r plus theta r. And that the perimeter is 4 times the length of the arc AB. So this will be equal to 4 theta r. We can take away theta r from both sides. So we'll get 2r will equal 3 theta r. And then we can divide both sides by r. So 2 will equal 3 theta. So therefore, theta will be equal to 2/3. And now we can substitute this 2/3 into the area. So we'll have 11 will equal 1/2 of theta times r squared. And now we can simplify this. These two will cancel, and we'll get 1/3. So 11 will equal 1/3 r squared. And then we can move this 3 over to the other side. So r squared will equal 33. And then we'll take the square root of both sides. So r will equal root 33. Okay.